What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to talk about why you might have some outside receptacles that are not working. Stay tuned. Thanks. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I was out doing some spring lawn care maintenance and had a short video I wanted to put together. We had a customer of ours that had recently called us and told us that he had an issue with receptacles not working on the outside of his house. He had informed us he had checked all the breakers and so forth, and nothing was tripped or off. So I went out, we took a look at it, and we were able to remedy the problem really simply. I wanted to put the video up because he said in trying to figure out what was going on, he had checked some things online and couldn't find anything related to it. So I kind of wanted to bring this video to you to maybe help you if you were having an issue. A lot of times on houses, they're basically wired, the ground fault circuits are wired. Sometimes you have a ground fault breaker within the panel, and sometimes they wire them to like a ground fault GFCI switch or receptacle. That was the instance on his house. He had normal outlets on the back side of the house. We went around to the front side of the house, and on his porch he had a GFCI just like this one. He said, no, everything's working. We went out front, tested it, and sure enough, the GFCI on the front of the house was tripped, but it was tied in with the circuit on the back of the house. That's a pretty common thing on a lot of homes. Just depends on how the electrician decided to wire the house. But sometimes they can be tied in with the garage circuit as well. I've even seen some really uncommon things where they might have it tied into like a bathroom GFCI circuit. So go around, locate all your GFCIs on your house, test them and make sure that they are hot and working, and that might fix your issue. Thanks for watching the video. We look forward to seeing you on the next video. If you like these, please like, subscribe, share, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.